guys, welcome back. So today's video is a little unboxing and winter haul video. I got my Christmas shopping done really early this year and I thought that was a good thing, but actually it's meant I've had more free time in December and there have been some really cute items in stores. So I did get myself something from Louis Vuitton. I also got a few clothing bits and pieces. I'm going to share with you exactly what I got. I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first up is the most gorgeous coat, and if you followed me for a while you'll probably know that I really like my Chanel vibes. Unfortunately, Chanel ready to wear is still several bank accounts away. Like, their pricing for clothing is just on a whole nother level. Their bags now too, but I find their clothing just particularly ridiculously priced, so it's not really in the budget. So I do definitely go for more Chanel vibes in my clothes where I can rather than original Chanel. This coat is just everything that I wanted and more. It is the most stunning thing and it's completely nailed that kind of French vibe aesthetic. Very classic, very elegant, and it is statement making, but I don't feel like it's so crazy that you couldn't wear it with everything. So it is a kind of off-white with this black trim, so it is like true French elegance. And what's particularly beautiful is that it has a metallic thread running all the way through. It is very subtle, so I don't feel like it's an evening coat at all. It just adds a little bit of dimension to the fabric. It makes it look so special and unique. It is a double-breasted style, so it's very easy to wear. The model photo did show it with a belt as well. It doesn't actually come with a belt, but you can add one on if you want to. And I think it looks so chic and elegant. Fully lined, it's beautifully made. You do have that contrast trim right there on the sleeves too. And I just think this is so unbelievably fabulous. Like, I absolutely love it. Completely nailed that aesthetic. It is beautifully made and I'm just so excited about it. And it was a splurge for a coat, but I do feel like the quality is there. And obviously it's nothing compared to Chanel pricing. And I just think this is absolutely stunning. I am so thrilled with it. This gorgeous coat is from Karen Millen, who are nice enough to partner with me on this video. Karen Millen have the most gorgeous new arrivals at the moment. Whether you're looking for a stunning dress for New Year's Eve or otherwise just looking to invest in some beautiful wardrobe basics for your wardrobe, they have so many stunning items. I do have quite a few items from them in today's video, so I will go ahead and link everything down below if you did want to check anything out. They were nice enough to give me a discount code as well, so you can take an extra 15% off your order. This is stackable on top of sale price as well, so it does work with discounted prices. A really great deal. I will pop all the details of that down below if you did want to check it out. Next up is this beautiful cashmere blend top, and you may be able to tell I am partial to an off-the-shoulder style. I think they are so elegant and beautiful and really actually versatile. Like, I think they look so great with a pair of jeans, but also really great with trousers, so good with skirts. Like, I just wear mine with absolutely everything. And I saw this and I just thought it was such a beautiful version. For a starter, I love the colour. It is a beautiful kind of almost mink type colour, so it's kind of a warm taupe. It is really, really pretty. It is a cashmere blend, so it's incredibly soft on the skin and it just drapes in the most elegant way, and you can kind of adjust it to how you want. So you can wear it a bit lower on the shoulder or you can have it a bit higher, but it really does have a beautiful drape to it. Very, very flattering, and it's just the softest, coziest thing to wear. It is a knit piece, but it isn't overly thick, so it doesn't add any extra bulk. You can tuck it in if you want to, and you don't get any unsightly lines, which I love. I've teamed this both with trousers and skirts. I love it both ways. And I just think it is the most beautiful thing. Very luxurious feeling and looking as well, and just so super elegant. And now for this beautiful cardigan, and this is a bit more of a wardrobe basic, but I love the fact that it was a little bit more of an elevated take on a classic wardrobe item. So it is a very simple cardigan design, so it has a v-neck right there, has these beautiful contrast buttons, which I thought was so pretty. What I really loved were the sleeves. So it is a balloon sleeve, but it's nothing too exaggerated, so it's still very, very wearable, very flattering, and you actually have a cinch detail right there on the waist, so it's very easy to tuck in while still having a very nice silhouette. Very soft fabric as well, like very smooth to the touch. And I just thought this was super chic, like great with jeans, great with a simple pair of trousers. I feel like you could definitely repurpose this for work and casual wear as well. It's just really elegant and simple, but actually just so easy to style. I feel like I'm gonna get a ton of wear out of it, and it's just really, really gorgeous. So super happy with this. Not the fanciest piece, but actually just such a solid wardrobe item. Next up is just the most insane skirt I have ever seen. It is so beautiful. Like, I don't think you can fully appreciate this on camera. I'm gonna do my best, like, show the detail of it, but it is just on another level. Like, the detailing on it is incredible. You might be able to hear it, like, there is a lot going on. It's also immensely heavy while still being quite comfortable. I don't know how they manage that, but the beating and the detail is just crazy. Like, it is so gorgeous. So it is a kind of mesh lining, so it is kind of nude, but you have all these beautiful pearl details on top, so it doesn't feel like a nude skirt, because often I can find nude bottoms actually aren't that flattering just because you look like you're a bit naked, but because there is so much embellishment, it doesn't look like that at all. And like, is this just not the most gorgeous skirt? So perfect for New Year's Eve. Very, very comfortable, even though it's also just a complete statement making piece. I think I'm going to team this with a fluffy white sweater, and I'm just completely obsessed. Like, an absolute showstopper. It was pricey, but actually for the quality that you were getting, I feel like it was a complete steal. I love all the details. I love a pearl detail anyway. Like, I'm always a sucker for pearls, and I just think this is the most gorgeous thing, and I am so, so happy with it. And speaking of showstopper outfits, I have this gorgeous vest, and this definitely isn't as flashy as the skirt, but actually I think it can create just as much of a statement. So I just teamed mine with a simple pair of trousers. I think it would also work beautifully with a pair of jeans or a skirt. And it's just kind of a very simple concept and design, but it's just executed so perfectly. It is more of a longer line one, so it's very flattering. I feel like it makes you look taller. Super, super soft, so it's a very nice fabric, and it is tailored, but it doesn't feel overly stiff. Like, there's still quite a lot of softness to the fabric, which is really nice. It is fully lined with the softest lining ever. I just think it is so chic and sharp, and I just absolutely love it. It is quite low cut. For me, it's not so crazy low that I'd want to wear anything underneath, but if it is a bit too low cut for you, you can definitely do like a lace cami. I think that would look fantastic. Even a little bandeau bra I think would look really great as well. And I'm just so excited about this. Like, again, very, very simple, but actually creates such a statement, and I just think it's so sharp looking. And now for my unboxing, and this is a purchase that I did about for a really, really long time, but I feel like it was only a matter of time before I gave in, so I'm going to share with you what I got. So it does come in the holiday packaging, which is absolutely stunning this year. So you get the classic orange box, and then it is a navy ribbon, and you have this really stunning kind of embossed, embellished tag. It's absolutely gorgeous. I will do a close-up of it, but it is super, super pretty. And here is the bag. You may be able to guess what this is from the size and the shape. It is the Louis Vuitton reversible tote, and as soon as I saw this, I kind of loved it, and I did about it because I was like, oh, it seems a bit of a novelty, but I've seen it on a few people and I absolutely loved it. The hardest part for me was deciding what colour to go for, because I actually feel like they look great in both colourways. So they have the cognac and they also have the black, but I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton Neverfull with a black trim. I did have one from the World Tour series, but I just didn't really get along with the red lining. It was just a bit too bright for me. I feel like this is kind of the best of both worlds, and you can also wear it both ways too. So you do have the Louis Vuitton stamp right there. I was initially a bit concerned this was going to be empreinte on the outside, because I haven't had the best of luck with empreinte bags, but it's not. It's kind of like a pebbled leather, so really quite different from the empreinte. You do get the pouch on the inside, and to be honest, the pouch is quite bold. Like, in terms of the actual print, so you get the stripe, and then you have the Louis Vuitton logo right there. On the back, it's striped as well, but it feels like very nice quality. Like, it's a very nice soft leather. And then you do have the inside, which is the Louis Vuitton monogram. So I'm going to try and flip it right now. Okay, I've done it. I don't feel like that was a super seamless, easy thing to do. So to be honest, I'm probably going to avoid like doing it too often. Like, I don't feel like that's something you're gonna want to do every single day, because it was a bit of a battle. Like, it wasn't super easy, but I suppose you kind of need it to be a little bit difficult in order to have enough structure and substance to the material. So I'm fine with that. I think I still need to maybe like push out the corners a little bit, but yeah, that's what it looks like on the other side. It's like a bit of a workout to do it properly. But I think this is absolutely gorgeous. I do now need to part ways with another tote bag, because I worked really hard to downsize my tote bag collection. I just had too many tote bags. I find them really difficult to store because they're so bulky. So I really whittled down my collection, but I made myself promise that if I then was going to get another tote, another one had to go. So I haven't figured out which one I'm gonna sell yet, but that will have to happen. But yeah, I am so happy with this. I think it's such a clever design. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, really well executed, and Yeah, I just think this is so great. A little bit on the pricey side. I did think it was priced quite high, but I suppose you are getting 2 bags in one. I'm hoping it's going to be really durable. So if you have this bag, please let me know how it's wear and tearing down below. But yeah, I am super excited about it, and I will just never get tired of the Neverfull style. Next up are a pair of shoes, and oh my goodness, these are so gorgeous. Very Manolo Blahnik in vibes, but at a fraction of the price. Like, I feel like they were a very, very good price. They are so gorgeous. So it is a velvet all the way around, so it is like a true black velvet. It looks very sumptuous, very luxurious, and then you have this gold buckle, which is kind of like a molten gold. The texture on it is so stunning. I will try and do a close-up so you can see what I mean. But I feel like these just look so much more expensive than they are. Like, if you told me this was from Manolo Blahnik and priced at like $1,000, I would fully believe you. But these were such a good price for how nice they look. Super cute. They do have padding as well, so very comfortable. The only thing is, I do think I need to size down. I got mine from Shopbop though, and exchanging with Shopbop is such a hassle internationally. So I'm wondering if I can just put an insole in, but I'm not sure if I would regret that. So I'm still trying to decide what to do, but I just think they are the most gorgeous little shoes. I love the buckle so much, and they're just so special and fancy looking. And then from very fancy to not that fancy, but just still such a nice piece, I'm a sucker for a good puffer jacket, and I feel like this is such a great dupe for the Lululemon Wonder Puff, which I do have, but I only have the crop version of that, which, as I've learned, is very cute, especially in autumn, but in winter it's just not that practical because the lower half of my size, they get cold. Like, it is a short jacket, whereas this is just a tiny bit longer without being like super long, and it's just so nice, and it is ridiculously puffy. Like, it just feels like a cloud when you're hugging it. I do think this came in a few different colours. I can't remember the other ones. I went for this really nice kind of, it's like an eggplant colour, so really lovely. I don't feel like it's too bright though. It's just like a nice kind of darker pop of colour, and it's just the funnest thing to wear, and it's so crazy warm. You do have pockets right there on the side, and then you have these buttons too, and I just want to be wrapped up in this forever. Like, it's so nice. It's been so cold here, oh my goodness. So this has just come at exactly the right time, and I just think this is so fantastic. I'm so thrilled with it. And now for more of a cozy one, but I saw this cardigan and I just thought it was the cutest little thing, and it is so soft. Like, it feels like, you know, those really soft knitted blankets that you get. That's the kind of texture that it is. Like, it's so soft. It feels absolutely amazing. You do have pockets right there on the side as well. It drapes in a really beautiful way, and it is oversized, but it doesn't feel like absolutely huge that it completely drowns you. And I thought this was so lovely, like really nice just to wear around the house, but also cute enough that you can like dress it up if you want to as well. Really cute. I think it came in a few colours. I always like to go for my paler colours in winter, but I thought this was lovely, and I'm just absolutely in love with this fabric. It is so cozy and soft. And now for a sweater, I loved so much that I got it twice. It's just the perfect little festive crew neck without being too much. Like, I'm not someone who really goes for like a full-on Christmas jumper a lot, just because they're so limited in terms of how you can wear them. But actually something like this is festive because it has a little bit of a sequin detail, but it's still wearable enough that you can wear this November, December, January. Like, you can actually still get a lot of wear out of it. And it's just a really simple little cable knit, but again, it just has that little sequin detail. It's not too much, it's not all over the place. It just adds a little bit of dimension to the fabric. I just thought this was so cute. So I have it in the grey. I also got it in this kind of, I guess it's like a pale grey, but it's more like an oatmeal colour. Very wearable. There's a lot of stretch in them as well. So they are insanely comfortable, and I just thought these were fantastic, and I'm so happy with them. And then for another cable knit, but I love the weird colour combination of this, and I don't think I ever would have thought to put camel and navy and cable knit together, but somehow it just works. This does come in a few different colour combinations, but I just really liked this colour combo. I just think it's so cute. So it is a cable knit design on the top, and then it's a regular knit through the body. But you do have this lovely kind of pale camel with this beautiful navy blue stripe all the way through. I just thought that was so great. It's very soft as well. It fits very nicely. It's just the right length. Like, it's not too long, it's not too short. Very easy to tuck in if you want to. Has a good amount of stretch too. And I just thought this was kind of fantastic. So an unexpectedly nice combination. But yeah, I saw it, thought it was super cute, and I actually think it's even nicer in person. So that wraps up this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. As usual, I will make sure to pop links to everything I featured in the description section below. Any questions, then leave me a comment, and as always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.